x direction, dy is the length of the fluid element in y direction, and dz is the length of the fluid element in z direction. Okay, minimize ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Next, let u is a velocity in x direction. See, u is velocity, small u is velocity in x direction, v is velocity in y direction, and uvw is velocity in z direction respectively. Second point, able to understand what I said? Okay, dx dy dz is the length of fluid element in x direction, y direction, and z direction. First point. Second point, the velocity in x direction is u, velocity y direction is v, velocity in z direction is w. So dx, dy, and dz are the length in x, y, and z direction. Why I am repeating it again and again? It is very important because in the further steps, if you don't understand what is dx, dy, dz, it will be very difficult for you to understand the next step. Okay. And for the time being, mass flow of fluid entry phase, this A, B, C, D, it is there. So A, B, C, D, this is a surface, I will take it as inlet. So through this surface A, B, C, D, this is a surface, this is an inlet surface. E, F, G, H. Okay, so this is as a outlet surface. A, B, C, D is inlet, E, F, G, H is outlet. Now I will write mass. Correct? I may ask you some questions to anybody. Nodi, mass flow of fluid entering the phase A, B, C, D. How will you write? I am asking you to write the expression for M1 or M, mass flow M at A, B, C, D. In the previous derivation, we have written equation. What is M? M dot or M is equal to density into volume. So this will be equal as density. What is volume? Area into velocity. This is a term we have derived in the previous. So density at inlet, that is ABCDL density model, that is rho1. A is area of the face ABCD, that is at inlet. Velocity is, what is the velocity at ABCD, that is what meaning. So now I will write this is M is equal to at ABCD or M1 anta tagoli. What is the density? I will take it as rho is the density at surface ABCD. E surface ali rho is the density. Then what is the velocity in x direction? First I will derive the derivation for x direction. Later we will derive for y direction and z direction. In x direction, what is the velocity in x direction through this surface? What is the velocity in x direction? U. So I will write, yes, velocity in x direction, I will write u. Then what is the area of ABCD?
dy into
area? Yeah, because ABCD is a square. Is a square. This distance is dy. What is this height? What is the height of this ABCD? That is AB. What is the length of this ABCD? AB length is equal to EF length. This is also equal to GH length. So it is DZ. So what is the area? Area will be dy dz. dy dz. Dear students, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ? Mass flow of fluid or mass of fluid ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. No problem. Confuse ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Mass of fluid entering the phase ABCD in x direction. What direction we are writing? We are writing in x direction. So m is equal to, we know the basic formula. Idu ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು, otherwise we cannot write, we cannot solve with any numericals. So mass is equal to density into volume. So density as it is, volume will be area into velocity. Area into velocity. So first rho You write as it is. Rho is the density of the phase or density of the fluid at ABCD. What is the velocity of the fluid in x direction? That is u. U is the velocity in x direction. And what is the area of this surface ABCD plane? It is rectangle. It is a square. So length into height divide. There is no question of dx here. Okay. Now similarly, what I will write next point, the mass of fluid leaving the phase I will write. What I will write? Mass of fluid leaving the surface or leaving the fluid. I will take a different color. Okay. Now, very round. Mass of fluid leaving, going outside. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್. Here it is going outside. Mass of fluid leaving the phase EFGH. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ M2 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. That I will take it as M2. M2 is equal to the total mass which has get inside the system, that is rho u dy dz. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ರೋ ಯು dy dz ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನೇನು ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. Small element means always we take dou by dou x. So small element of into dx. This is the one type word you have to write. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡಿ. Why I have written M2 is equal to rho u d by d means the total mass at inlet or the total mass which has entered inside the system has to go outside. It has to go because M1 is equal to M2 ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನಾವು, ಕನ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ M2 is equal to M1 ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಫಾರ್ M1 I have taken. And plus additional some small partial differentiation I have written. It is not a differentiation. Partial differentiation means small change in mass of the fluid. Means some mass of the fluid will be adjacent to the surface. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So for that reason we have taken one additional term. Okay. So what is the gain of mass in x direction? What is the gain? ಒಳಗಡೆ ಉಳಿತೆಷ್ಟು? Outlet minus inlet. Gain of mass in x direction. ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ತರ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ, ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ, ಮುಂದಿನ ತಾನೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Gain of mass in x direction. This is a total mass going outside. This is a total mass of the fluid which is coming inside. So outlet minus inlet will be the mass of fluid which is stored inside the system. Correct alva? So naane bidತೀನಿ ಈಗ mass through EFGH surface minus mass of fluid through ABCD. Alva? ABCD. So total mass which is going outside, total mass which is coming inside. ಈ ತರ. ಸೊ ಔಟ್ಲೆಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇನ್ಲೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಗೇನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದೆ. So you substitute the value mass of fluid through ABFGS ಎಷ್ಟು? This is the equation. I will substitute as it is. Rho u dy dz plus dou by dou x rho u dy dz. Don't forget dx. Dx is also there. You write dx minus. Here is a minus. You write minus. Mass through ABCD. What is the equation? What is the term? ABCD, here is a term, that is rho u dy dz. Dear students, is there any terms get cancels?
Yes sir, first two term, first month, second last
terms cancel agutta. First two terms cancel agutta.
First one last.
First one last. Yes. first one, last one cancel. We'll take different color. Okay, next step. So this row u dy dz, this row u dy dz, it gets cancelled. So what is the gain of mass in x direction? Gain of mass in x direction. So what will dou by dou x of rho? Here is a dx is there. This also I will take inside. Athwa rho u I will take one term. Dx dy dz I will take as a second term. You can ask a question. Yake sir hinge tagondidira? Because dx dy dz are the length of that cubic element. It is constant value. Because it is geometry. Geometry under it will not change with respect to fluid flow. Pipe dimensions ಏನು change ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Fluid flow ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ only there is a chances of changing velocity. There is a chances of changing the density, but this will not change. Dx will also not change, dy will also not change, and dz also will not change. So these are all constant terms I have taken outside, and these two are variables, so I kept inside the bracket. Okay, next, dear students, now can you write gain of mass? Nodi illi ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ please help me to write gain of mass in y direction. ಯಾರಾದ್ರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸಾಜಿದ್, will you help me? Gain of mass in y direction. Please help me to write in y direction. This is a mass of fluid or gain of fluid in x direction. This equation. I need to write gain of mass in y direction because this is the fluid element. Fluid will also store some in x direction. There is a chances of fluid flowing in y direction because we studied Newton's law of viscosity. Tau is equal to mu into du by dy. So change in velocity in y direction is also possible. Don't think that velocity will be there always x direction. Illa. If you are considering a liquid flowing through the pipe, the liquid will flow along the length of the pipe. Though there is no doubt along the length fluid flow ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ. It is flowing in this direction, but along the y direction is also there is a change in velocity. ಅದನ್ನು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, but it is not observed through our eyes. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು, because dominant is velocity of fluid in x direction ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ change in velocity along y direction it is not easily visualized ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So for that reason ನಿಮ್ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು. So please can you write gain of mass in y direction? This small gain of mass in y direction ಏನೇನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ?
Sir, instead of u write v, velocity in y direction.
Only
Dou
I
by-
need to write.
Dou by dou.
Very good. What's your name?
Harish.
Harish, very good. So here x direction is there. I have taken x, and velocity in x direction is u. Now I am writing the expression for y direction, and what is the velocity of y direction is v. Correct or not? So dou by dou y baribeku because you are considering y direction into rho is same density. As of now we are assuming it is only one single fluid rho. What is the velocity in y direction? V. The dx dy dz will be remain same because it has taken 3-dimensional. Similarly, my dear students, can you help me to write expression in z direction? Gain of mass in z direction. Dash direction. Yaar, Chandan, Siddharth, you tell me what is the equation of gain of mass in z direction? What will be the equation of like this? Can you read this? Dou by
dou z
dou z
d
here. Yeah. Look at this equation and tell me what are the changes. This equation is for x. This is for y. Now I need for z. What is the velocity in z direction? I will help you. I will go back to the previous page. What is the velocity in z direction? velocity in x direction is u, velocity in y direction is v.
W.
Velocity, yeah, very good, very good. So in place of u, v, and now I will write it is rho as it is. There is no change in the density as of now. So w, the remaining is same, dx, dy, and dz. It is as it is same. So this is a mass of fluid gain in x, y, and z direction. If I ask you what is the total mass of fluid gained in the fluid element in both x, y, z, what is the total mass?
Net gain of fluid.
Yeah, net gain or total gain of the fluid. What is net color? ಬೇರೆ ಕಲರ್ ತಗೋಣ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ಸ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಲರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಕಲರ್ ತಗೋಣ. ವಿಲ್ get this. Yeah, what will write? Net gain,
sir.
Gain
yes,
of
yeah,
fluid.
very good. Net gain of mass of fluid ಅಂತ, net gain of mass of fluid ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So is equal to the total. You need to add all three equations you need to add. So I will write here, so dou by dou x of rho u dx dy dz
Yes.
plus dou by dou y of rho into v dx dy dz. Here again I will write plus, I need to write one more term along z direction, dou by dou z, sorry, okay, dou by dou z rho w dx dy dz. Is there any common term in the right hand side, so you can make this equation easy? Is there any common term in the right hand side? Constant term.
dx.
Rho dx dy dz.
Yeah, dx dy dz is a constant. Here is also there, here is also there, and here is also there. And somebody has told rho is also constant, but correct, you are very good. Rho is also constant, but time being I will assume it is compressible, because still I have not decided whether compressible fluid is flowing through the fluid element, whether incompressible is there, we don't know. So for that reason I will not assume it is a constant. Still it is variable ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಅನ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, no issues. So dou by dou x rho u I will write as it is, plus dou by dou y of rho v plus dou by dou z of rho w. So common term, what is the common term you have taken outside? That is dx dy and dz. Okay, now so dx dy dz, it is a constant. Some it may be 1 meter, it's also 1 meter, it may be 1 meter, 1 into 1 into 1 into, again it is 1 meter. So net mass is also equal to 0, because there is no mass of fluid accumulation, because what is the conservation of m1 is equal to m2. So this total equation should be equal to 0. What is the term? There is no accumulation of mass ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, assumption there is no accumulation of the mass. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, conservation of mass ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ, theoretically ಇರ್ತದೆ. Assume that the total mass going inside the pipe is equal to total mass coming outside. So net mass gain ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ what they are assuming is there is no mass of fluid accumulated inside the pipe. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಗೋಡೆಗಾಗ್ಲಿ ವಾಲ್ಗಾಗಿ ಅಂಟಿಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. But practically it is not possible. Some amount of fluid will adhere to the surface because of adhesive force ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. So adhesive force ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, but for the derivation purpose theoretically they are saying that it is equal to 0 ಅಂತ. So these terms I will take on the left hand side. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ equation dou by dou x of rho u plus dou by dou I of rho v plus dou by dou z of rho w is equal to 0. These have some value. It is not 0, man. It is not 0. It has some value that I have taken on the left hand side. 0 by anything is 0. This is the equation of continuity in 3-dimensional. Nodi, all three it is there. X direction is also there, x is there, y is also there, z is also there, and x velocity u is also there, v also you can see in the equation, w is also you can see the equation. So what is the continuity equation in ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು? Q is equal to or m is equal to rho a v. You ಮೂರು ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ. Rho is there in this equation? Yes, rho you can see in this equation. Satisfied. Whether velocity is there in this equation? Yes, velocity is there in all the directions. U, V, W. Very good, correct. Area, yeah, area is there, but here for time being, we have taken on the left hand side, we have assumed it is 0. Okay, so ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 0 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So it is equal to 0. This is for compressible or incompressible fluid. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? For timing ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ? Compressible or incompressible? This is for yes, very good. This is for compressible fluid because density, we have assumed that it is varying. Density is changing with respect to y. Density is changing with respect to z. Density is changing with respect to x. So density is a function of x, y, z. So it is not constant. If density is changing, it is called compressible fluid ಅಂತ ಓದಿದೀವಿ. If I write the equation ಈ ತರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನಂತೀರ ಅದನ್ನ? Dou by dou x of u dou v by dou y plus dou w by dou z is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅಂತ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? We have assumed that rho is constant. Yes, we have taken rho common because assume ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು. Assume density is constant ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Constant, it is not 0. 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 0 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ. Rho is equal to constant ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು I have taken outside ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So outside ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then you take on the right hand side, 0 by rho is 0. So what is this is also continuity equation. Just to observe whether velocity is there or not. Yes, velocity is there, u, v, w. Okay, but density is not there. So what is this equation is continuity equation for which fluid?
Incompressible fluid.
Yeah, continuity equation for incompressible fluid. Very good. Incompressible fluid. Density and the constant ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು. Dear students, can I ask you, can you write continuity equation in 2-dimensional? If I ask you to write continuity equation in 2-dimensional, only in x and y, how will you write continuity equation in 2D? ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? x, y ಅಷ್ಟೇ. It is a duct. There is no velocity in z direction.
Remove that dou by dou z, sir.
Yes, it's just simple, sir. So rho u by dou x, dou v by dou y. If you write and equal to 0, this is a continuity equation for 2-dimensional. ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ